Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well, in good state. May Allah Ta'ala bless you. May Allah Ta'ala give you lot of health, wealth, success, and may Allah Ta'ala protect you. May Allah Ta'ala give lot of blessing from everywhere. It will be the rahmah of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will receive you day by day, every day. Ameen. Okay, those who are new on my channel, kindly like, share, and subscribe my channel. And those who are already subscribed my channel, kindly please like my channel, and you can give comments also. Okay, today I came with a new story. When I was in school days, I read this story in Hindi, in English, and in Telugu too. This is a very common and general story. I think everyone had heard about this story. And those who are children on my channel, maybe you read this story in your last academic year, maybe you are in this academic year, maybe it's have this story, The Honest Woodcutter. So let's start The Honest Woodcutter. We will go back to our childhood days. That was the best day. I heard that people will say that the childhood day will never come back in our life. If you will be imagine, if you will be think that if you want to be recalled at memories, so maybe for half seconds, yeah, 2 3 seconds, yeah, for one day, yeah, maybe rest of your life you can be bring your childhood day as imagination, as you means as an imagination, or as being you are living like a child by comparing your memories of childhood days, uh, only in your limits. If you will be behave like a childish in front of others, so it will be become a biggest joke. So don't be behave like that, ki as I am a child, like that. Just for, if you are in bad mood, if you are in depression, going into depression, don't feel that. Now these days are very, every day and every stage and every phase of life is a blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So let's, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is given, so every phase of life you can try to live happily. Okay, let's start our story. The Honest Woodcutter. Once upon a time, there was a poor woodcutter who lived in a small village. Every day he went into the forest to chop wood and sell it in the market to earn a living. One day, while cutting a tree near river, his axe slipped from his hand and fell into the deep water. The woodcutter was devastated. That axe was his only means of livelihood. He sat on the river bank and cried out, "What will I do now?" Suddenly, a shining figure emerged from the river. It was a water spirit. Hearing his cries, she asked, "Why are you so upset?" Nowadays,
की बघतो दुसरे मोबाईल